Hello. Today I will tell you what you need to feed cucumber seedlings to get a rich harvest ahead of time. Moreover, everyone can prepare this fertilizer, and it is absolutely environmentally friendly. And for this, I feed my cucumber seedlings with organic growth stimulator from live baker's yeast, and now I will tell you and show you the recipe how to use it correctly, as well as how they are useful for cucumbers at an early stage of growth. To prepare the concentrate, we will need a jar of 500 milliliters of water at room temperature. You will also need a 100-gram pack of yeast and of course sugar. And at this stage of growth, only 10 grams of yeast is required to prepare the concentrate. Therefore, we have enough packs for a lot of top dressing. And this fertilizer can be fed once every 7 days before planting seedlings in the open ground. And another top dressing can be done 7 days after planting in the garden or greenhouse. Also add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix thoroughly until completely dissolved, and put in a warm, dark place for 2 hours to infuse. And I give you such proportions for a reason. We take another Z-liter jar into which we pour 2.5 liters of water, and pour the concentrate into it. And such a sequence of preparation is needed for better dissolution and infusion of yeast. And this top dressing for seedlings is nothing more than a growth stimulant. Due to the vital activity of yeast bacteria, the activity of microorganisms in the soil occurs, and at the same time a large amount of carbon dioxide is released. Organic matter is processed in the soil, which in turn allows young seedlings that still have small roots to receive full nutrition in an accessible form. Young seedlings will begin to rapidly increase the root system and green mass, which will lead to rapid growth and development. And in the end, you will get the first harvest of cucumbers much earlier. And it is necessary to make top dressing as follows. Be sure to water the seedlings before application so that the soil is moist, and then if your seedlings grow in separate pots like mine, then we water 50 milliliters under 1 sprout. This will be enough for rapid active growth. And we do the first top dressing when at least 1 real leaf appears on the cucumber seedlings. Like on my seedlings, it is necessary to feed the seedlings correctly and then it will grow quickly. To whom the information was useful, put a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the new videos.